When you see a spout of water shooting out from the back of a personal watercraft, you know it's a Yamaha WaveRunner. Developed by Yamaha as a safety feature, and realistically just as much a marketing point and brand identifier, the water spout is loved by some and hated by others. Meanwhile, some people want to have the option of turning it on and off depending on how they're using their craft. What's up folks, my name is Nihbru, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a valve to control the spout of your WaveRunner. For the demonstration purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a garden hose valve. The reason is because I simply couldn't find a suitable valve at my local hardware store. There is a fair bit of water pressure that comes out through the spout system. A simple hose valve such as the one that I'm using in this video will simply fall out. There are purpose-built valves that you can find at online stores such as Amazon if you do a search for WaveRunner spout valve. Personally, I'm not at all a fan of the spout, and I've disabled mine permanently. I've done this by putting a bolt in the end of part of the piping, securing it tightly with a metal hose clamp.
With that said, having the option to turn the spout on and off is nice. Now let's get into how you can add a valve to your WaveRunner spout system.
First of all, the tools that we need: a flathead screwdriver, a valve, and this is a 13mm valve, measuring tape, a couple of hose clamps, and some scissors. Now, I already took this off, which is the hose from the back of the ski, and that of course goes from this little bit here, and it goes up above the bucket, and where are you? Right there. Put the clamps on the hose, run that through here, and then the other one just on the other side. You can probably grease it up a bit. I just don't have any grease. In there as well. So I'm just going to line it up with the other clamps, just so that if I need to access it at all, they're in the same place. So you can see here, it looks like a pretty good fit. Just a matter of a little bit of cutting. I eyeballed that other one. I should have measured it. If you want to do it properly, measure the whole thing. So I've got it all nice and tight. Everything's in there. And the next step is to just, again, make sure that the bucket's not touching. Just going to test it in the other position, obviously. Okay, and then I guess you can just set it as you please now. You can turn it on or off. So again, to get the bucket back on, we gotta come out the side here, push that on the spring, pop it in, and that's it. All done.